Assalamualaikum. Today we will show how we can work with the CNC lathe machine. This is just a CNC lathe machine, and this is the GSK controller. Okay, so first I need to take the tool offset of the job. So this is the job, you see. This is the job. These are the tools. So this is the tool post. So tool post, they have 10 tool here. Okay, so I'm just first moving the item. So to move the axis, first I click the MPG. I'm just pressing the MPG. When I press MPG and I'm just press the X, so I can move the X. You see the X is moving. X is moving. Okay. Okay, I can increase the speed through this way. This is the increasing the speed. This will move the x-axis very fastly, and this is the lower speed. And if I click the z-axis, then I can move the z-axis. Z-axis just left and right, left and right. Okay, so this way we can move the axis. So there are few modes. Number one is edit mode. When I need to change the program, we can go to the edit mode. This is the auto mode. Auto mode, normally we run the program in auto mode. Mdi mode, we can run a manual program, 1 or 2 line program here. This is the just one or 2 line program we can do from here. And if we need to make the machine 0, so we can make machine 0 from here. Okay, these are the most common modes, and now I will show how to take the offset. So I'm just taking a blank offset, like I'm going MPG and click the Z. Just I'm taking here, and I'm just going down with the x-axis. Just going down. Just think that I will take a offset here. Okay, so this is the tool number 10. I will take the offset first, tool number 9. So to change the tool, I'm just click arrest clockwise. So it will rotate. I'm showing again. It is rotate right now this way. Okay. Okay. So now the tool number is 9. Here you see the tool number. It is showing the 9. So to make the tool offset, I just go to offset. Offset. Okay. So when I go to the offset, I see that there is a tool number and the tool number offset. So this is the tool number 9. So I take it tool number 9. Okay. And now the tool number is 9. Oh, so what I have to do? If I set the tool offset, so then this relative value will be there. Okay. So I'm pressing the measurement value. So for the x-axis, what I have to do? I have to set the diameter of the job. Suppose my diameter of the job is 20 mm. So I'm just setting x20. X20, and just if I press OK, then you will see that relative value of x is -268. It will be inside there. Okay, check now. Okay, you see this value is there now. Okay, now I'm just changing the z axis. So to change the z offset, I will make it 0. Like this is the 0 value. I'm thinking that this position is the 0. Okay, so to make it, I'm pressing again the measure, and I'm just inserting Z0, and if I press the Z0, then this W will be there. Okay, you see this is 240, so this is 240. So tool number 9 offset is complete. Now I am just taking the tool offset of 10. Okay, this is the tool offset of 10. So same way I can take the axis to the near the value. Like I am just showing you how to take the offset.
Incoming call from Saddam Hussein.
Okay, this is the way I take the offset, and now I am just making x. I am taking the x near. Okay, it's just going near. This is the x-axis value. So I'm making, this is the offset number 10. So this is the 10, and I'm just pressing measure and dia of the pipe x20. Okay, when I enter, this value will be insert there. Okay, now I need to make the z-axis 0. To make the z-axis 0, I take the z-axis like this and I make the x down. I just make it touch. Make the touch the z-axis like this. I'm just making it near. Okay, now I make the z0. Z0. Same, click the measure. So write the Z0. So this is the Z0. Now I press the OK. Okay, this way we can make the offset. So I am just checking this to upward. Okay, I am taking this to upward. Okay. Now if I make the program, this is the program. Press the edit button. These are the program. So if I want to select the program, what I have to do? Just select the program, and these are the program showing. Okay, these are the program. I'm just breaking auto mode. Okay, these are the program showing. Like if I select the program 40, then what I have to do? Just press the load. If I press the load, this program will be selected. Okay, after that, if I press the program and the edit button, then I can edit the program. And after just complete the edit, I will just press the auto mode and press the cycle start. This way the program will be okay. Now I will just show you how to program in the Mdi mode. I am pressing the Mdi and then program. Okay, just you see. Okay, I'm just this is the X20 F550. If I press cycle start, then this will go to this value. Okay, I'm just making the cycle start. Okay, and this will go to that value. I need to press the reset first, and then it is in Mdi. I press the cycle start. Okay, and this way this will go to the Mdi mode.